News Now meteorologist Evan Stewart. It is Friday, the 16th of August. Give you the latest on what's going on in the tropics, and really only one thing to talk about. That's Ernesto that is here, a Category 2 hurricane that is approaching the island of Bermuda. Already, Bermuda is under hurricane warnings. There are some signs that Ernesto will be weakening a little bit as it approaches the archipelago nation, but the big concern again that the island will receive a direct hit. It's very possible that the western edge of the big island will encounter the eye wall as Ernesto works its way off towards the north-northeast. Right now moving at 14 miles per hour, 100-mile-per-hour winds. It's currently 215 miles south-southwest of Bermuda. It is going to work its way northward. Again, showing some signs of weakening late tonight into the day tomorrow. And then eventually the remnant low will work its way off into the North Atlantic. Once it gets in here over the cooler waters, it'll quickly weaken into the early part of next week. But it will likely skirt by here, just eastern parts of Newfoundland. The concern for the U.S. East Coast, even though the storm is going to remain well offshore, is those large swells are going to start impacting the area. Already a moderate risk of rip currents through Virginia and North Carolina this afternoon. That risk for rip currents will increase as those swells propagate towards the U.S. East coastline. So the weather impact here for Hampton Roads, looking at strong swells, likely nearshore waves of 4 to 8 feet, and that increasing surf and those large swells will increase the rough surf, increase the risk of rip currents, and possibly give us some coastal erosion and some high tides. Could even be a little bit of overwash on Highway 12. Elsewhere, no other tropical development is expected, but we'll have the latest on Ernesto as we go throughout the weekend right here on air and online.